Welcome to Java Forum. Now we are going to see how to change the or how to view the machine info in AlmaLinux 8 using the /etc/machine info file. Okay, first time open the terminal, login as a root user. Okay, next I am going to execute the hostnamectl command. Hostnamectl command will display chassis deployment location icon name. Okay, so these information are written in one file called machine info file, which is located in under /etc. Okay, so /etc machine info file is nothing but it's a information, machine information, which is provided by the administrator. Okay, so nothing but it's a metadata, it's a metadata of a machine. Okay, which is provided by the administrator who is using this machine. Okay, so now I am going to edit this machine info. Let us see what is going to happen. Okay, I am editing the machine info using Vim editor. So I am going to change the location. Okay, and also I am going to set the deployment also to some other box. Okay, I am going to set as a development box. Chassis also I am changing. Okay, save it. Okay, so these are the changes I have made in machine info file. Okay, now let me give hostnamectl command. See here, whatever I changed in machine info is reflected here. So hostnamectl and machine info are direct dealing. Okay, so changing the entries in machine info has impact in hostnamectl command execution. And see here, I am going to set pretty host name. Okay, so this pretty host name will be reflected in machine info details. Let us see what is going to happen. So I am setting the pretty host name using hostnamectl command. Okay, now let me open the pretty host name is got set. Now let me open the machine info file. Yes, you can see that pretty host name is got written in machine info file. So machine info file is nothing but it's details about the machine, or it's a metadata which is provided by administrator or user who uses this machine.